for investments in the transportation system is a complex process. One of the greatest challenges transportation planners face is imagining what can and should happen to the transportation system in the future. While the process would be much easier if there was a crystal ball that could help provide guidance, deciding when, where, and what to build requires planners to use a sophisticated and more reliable method for looking into the future that doesn't include fortune telling at all. Instead, they use travel demand models. No matter the mode of transportation, we strive to provide a safe and efficient system that offers people options for travel, whether by truck, car, bus, bike, or walking. Planners study the current and long-term travel needs. We look at the current system and how well it accommodates today's travel demands, and examine what transportation changes might be needed to accommodate growth. Planning is a collaborative process that is conducted by government agencies such as state departments of transportation, metropolitan planning organizations, and the federal government. These agencies are responsible for making sure the right information is included in planning efforts. We are planning today for what transportation needs will be in the future. Planners help create transportation systems with lasting value. Additionally, transportation planning is often required to receive federal funding and is helpful in performing other activities such as disaster recovery planning. Travel demand models are one of the primary tools in our planning toolbox. A travel demand model helps planners simulate the interaction between land development and transportation by adding data about a community into a computer application. Planners use and interpret these models to forecast how people will travel and the resulting transportation needs for the future. They analyze future land use development and how travel across the system will change and grow as a result. Within the model, planners organize the community into travel analysis zones. These zones are areas used to represent the number of trips people are making, where they are going to and coming from, how they're getting there, and what route they are taking. The model is tailored to imitate what the community looks like today. Planners factor in characteristics about the community's existing land use, transportation system, and travel habits that explain how, where, and by whom trips are made. It provides a realistic representation of current travel in the community that accounts for projected growth and offers a reasonable look into the future. Planners use the results of a travel demand analysis to identify how travel will change and where future congestion may take place. When options are tested, we can determine which solutions may best reduce congestion. These models help the Iowa DOT and local planning agencies more successfully identify and prioritize projects. They also help us avoid over or underbuilding the system and appropriately plan for construction. With all of this information, we're better equipped to make informed decisions about system growth, improvements, and investments. As Iowa continues to evolve, so too will our transportation system. Planners need the right tools to guide these changes. Travel demand models provide them with clear information and the direction they need to help plan for the future of our state.